Oh no, I feel bad for my baby girl. Hello. Hi. Here's Evony. Oh, my baby girl, Evony. Oh no, you not feel too good? Achoo. Oh my god, you sick. Girls, what happened? Well, Evony wanted to play in the rain because she was sleeping. But then she played in the rain way too much and she got cold. And she told us she wasn't cold. But then she started to get hot when we got inside. We were just gonna go get breakfast. We were just camping out. Then Evany started to feel sick. Oh, I think she might have frostbite or hypothermia. She's gonna have to go to the doctor's. And she's gonna have to get surgery done. She's gonna have to go to a sleep doctor so she could sleep. Thanks for letting us know. You're welcome. Okay, Evony, we're gonna take you to the doctor's. Thanks for calling. You're welcome. Come on, Evony. I know you're not feeling good. Come on.